Yo, what's up guys? Today we are back with another video. Today we will be discussing about question set 11. So this is a brand new question. This will be extended up to question number 14, set 14. No, question set number 15. So question set 11, question set 12, question set 13, question set 14 and 15 all are the same question, all build up the same question. So here you can pause the video and read it out. I think you have read the question. So the question suggests that there is a store called Next Mobile, and these stores business records are kept in bill books. So it is the old-fashioned way. And but the shop owner wants to convert all of these records into a more software solution, or what do you say, software solution. Yeah. So the commission is given to the Tilnagacha soft by the owner, and you work in Tilnagacha soft as a senior software engineer. So that's that. So, and you and your team have designated to build up this database. So this is like so you have to build like a fully functional database by completing answering these questions. So the requirements are as below. The store employs up to 5 people. All employees should be able to use this software. Customer should be able to register, must be able to register suppliers, should be able to review bills, details provided by suppliers, must be able to review details of bills used, must be able to include all details of items sold in the store, and create the data. So these are the requirements given us to us by the Tilnagacha soft. So yeah. So first thing is that we have to create the database called Next Mobile DB. So here's how to create the database. Open up your MySQL. I'm going to use the ER method to make the database. So open up the connection, go to files, click on new model, and right click on here, select edit schema to rename this, and give the name that you want to rename, and click on rename preferences. If all is set, if the rename was successful, this message will pop up. So that's that. And still we haven't created this database. I will tell you in a second why. So first of all, we have to create the ER diagram of this database, since we are using the ER diagram to create the database. So you have to click on add diagram, and you have to create the single table. So the table name should be user. To create a table, you can press T on your keyboard and click on it, or you can just select this icon and click here. So there are like two choices. You can two methods you can create a table. So the table name should be user, and the column should be, the primary key of this table is user ID, so which is unique, which is used to uniquely identify each user registered on this database. So this is already says the data type is int. So this is where we specify the data type of the column, and this should auto increment. So this is where we check the option to check the auto increment option. So I will create the following column username. Username is data type is vacha. Vacha means it's a string data type. String means it's the column which the values are inputted. So let's recap here. So let's say username column takes only strings as values. Strings means like normal texts. So the username must be text. So that's that. The length should be 50. And this should and you, if you are not taking any null values, this should be always check the not null checkbox. You have to check that. The password, the next column is password. Password means that this also 50, the length is 50, so we have to do that and check the not null box. And the user type, next column is user type. User type takes only 45, so you can leave it as default value is 45. Check the not null box. Always remember to check the not null box if you are not taking any null values. Null means there are empty values. I mean, yeah, you can call it as empty values. So status, the next column is status. Status means vacha is 1, so this is that, and you have to check this. So here's how you create these tables, this table and columns. So as you can see, we have inputted the data, the data type. When we input in the data type, first thing is we have to specify what the data type is, and inside brackets we have to put the length of the data of the columns. Data length means that the maximum data length which can be inserted into these columns as a value. Yeah, so that's that. I think I have created this successfully. So if you are done, just click on database and select forward engine, since we are doing this for the first time, and don't change any of this. Click next, and if all is set, you can get the message forward engineer finished successfully. So if we check, refresh and check search next mobile, there is our table which is user. So here's the user ID, username, user type and password. If we go to here are the data types which we have included, and here are the columns, respective relevant columns. So that's that. So thank you guys for watching, and see you again next time. Peace.